Every city has that one place where food, art, and music collide. And that place in Greenville is right here, the Village of West Greenville. And trust me, this is the hottest up-and-coming area that you need to know about. Once an old textile district, the Village of West Greenville has transformed into a vibrant hub for artists, chefs, and entrepreneurs who wanted a place with grit, creativity, and big vision. And now, it's one of the most talked about neighborhoods in downtown Greenville. Pendleton Street is basically an extension of Main Street from downtown Greenville. And when you get to this corridor, think colorful murals, working artist studios, and locally owned boutiques and stores that feel like hidden gems. This isn't a cookie cutter development. It's authentic Greenville with some soul. And it's got character at every corner. And the food scene, let's just say it rivals Main Street. You've got everything from award-winning fine dining to cozy coffee shops where the barista knows your name and your order before you walk in. The Village is where you come for dinner and stay for dessert. And the friendship, maybe even a nightcap or two. What I love most is the energy here. It's social, it's walkable, it's friendly, and this is really where the heart of Greenville's creativity comes alive. Whether you're into art, clothing, marketing, pottery, you'll find it all here, and along with it, a true sense of community. The Village of West Greenville is the neighborhood to watch. It's investing in its future, attracting new businesses, and quickly becoming a must-visit spot for locals and newcomers. If you're thinking about making a move to Greenville, or if you already live here and you're looking for something new and exciting, put the Village at the top of your list to try out this weekend. And thank you for watching this video. Please continue to watch and like all of my videos if you'd like to continue to explore all of the Greenville neighborhoods with me. I'm Angela Rodriguez over at Encore Realty. I'll be here for you whether you're buying or trying to make a move in the next 9 days or the next 90 days. So please don't hesitate to reach out.